These types of kissing videos are currently viral everywhere. I'll tell you how you can create them. I have these two pictures of Taylor Swift and Elon Musk. First, we need to combine them. Search for two photos in one frame, open this website, and its link is also given in the description. Click on this Choose File button, and upload first image, then in the same way upload the second image. Don't mess with any other settings. Simply click on OK, then click on Download Processed Image. Here the image is combined. Now search for Video Studio, and open this website. Click on Try Video, and sign up. Choose Image to Video. Upload Combine Image. Write prompt, kissing each other. And hit Generate. The video is not quite good. So, generate again. After some tries I got this perfect video.